guys, so to celebrate today not only being the last day of Vlogust, but it's also the last Monday of the month, so that means it's the last day of the series where I talk about my small cleaning business on Monday mornings. So I thought to celebrate that I would bring y'all with me to my first job of the day and also my favorite client. So, and of course, I do have permission to video in her house. If you look on my channel, I already have a video of me actually cleaning her house, so I will link that below. But this is, so she texted me last night and said she was leaving me something with my check to take home. She knows I have a channel and that it's mostly food. So she left me 4 cookbooks. I thought that was really sweet. So today's topic is, get out my fancy notebook, the pros and cons of having your own small cleaning business. Now I am going to be taking y'all on a small tour of the house just to show you how beautiful it is. Obviously I will not be showing any personal information or personal items, but I will be taking y'all on a small tour just to show you how pretty it is. Like, this is the kitchen. I can't even explain how beautiful this house is. But let's go ahead and get into the video and of the pros and cons, and then I will be back to give y'all a tour of the house. I'm sitting at her office desk for this, and I love the background. Too cute. Okay, so pros. You make your own money on your own time. That's like the #1 best part of it. You are your own boss, and I'm just reading this off of my fancy notebook. You can hire help if you choose to. If not, do it by yourself and you don't have to pay anybody. You get to choose what jobs you want. That is a big one. I have turned down plenty of jobs. I don't allow people to treat me any kind of way that they think they can because they feel like I am less than they are because I am cleaning their home. So I don't allow that. If I deny a job, then I can deny a job. That's my business. I'm the one who loses the money. Vacation time, that's a big one too. You can work around your jobs. You can take vacation whenever you want to, for however long you want to, as long as you work with your clients around when you're going to be gone. You can trade work. And I keep saying that's a big one, but I guess they're all kind of big ones. So like, say I needed a bedroom at my house painted. I can trade that paint job for however many jobs that it would take for me to pay, you know, what they wanted to charge me to paint the room. I could clean their home for them, and you know, however much I quoted their job obviously is the amount of times that I would do to make up for that amount that they painted my house, my bedroom for. So it's just different things like that. I mean, you can trade work for anything. Like when the lady who does my eyebrows, I clean her house. So just little stuff like that. Make your own schedule. Obviously, that's a big one. Today's Monday, and that is my busiest day with the business. But like, if I chose to not work Mondays, then you just don't schedule any jobs on Mondays. It's that simple. Nobody can tell you when you have to work. You make your own schedule. Cons. Taxes. I have worked at H&R Block for, this will be the 12th season, so that's a very long time, and I still hate to think about taxes when it comes to my business, but obviously you have to. The pandemic. When something like this happens and you're not expecting it, if you are not ready for it, it's no fun. It's not a good thing. Some people don't want you in their home, and obviously that's okay. Mileage, your vehicle. I would say driving to so many different jobs and not going to one place every single day and your car being parked all day. That's a big one. retirement. Retirement. So if you did not consider retirement, you didn't consider savings, you didn't do anything to set yourself up for retirement, and you become too old to do this work, because hello, I'm already too old to do this work, my body says. So if you become too old to do this work, or too sick, whatever, and you need to retire and you have not planned for it, I don't even know what you would do, so I don't know how to answer that part. Last con, the work. The work itself. There's not much to say for that, except for that cleaning is very labored work, I would say. Especially when you're cleaning for somebody else and you're not cleaning for yourself. Because if you're cleaning for yourself, you can take breaks, you can decide not to do this today if you don't want to, but when you go clean somebody else's house, you can't do that. You have to clean it. You have to clean it right. You have to work hard. So yeah, that is the pros and the cons that I had listed for owning your own small business. So I am going to go ahead now and give you all a tour of this beautiful home, and that will wrap up today's video. The last day of the series for Monday Morning Chats about the business, and of course I will have the Vlogust 2020 playlist listed below, so you can click into that and get caught up on all of my Vlogust videos and or just the Monday business videos if that's what you're interested in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if anybody has any questions about the business, hi English, or anything, just leave it down below, and of course I will answer all of your questions. But yeah, until then, I will see y'all in my next video. I do have a collab coming up Friday that is a what's for dinner video, so make sure not to miss that. I don't know if I have anything scheduled or if I will be filming before then, but yeah, this is the end of Vlogust and I am not mad about it. Bye guys, I will see y'all in my next video. Enjoy this house tour. So this is the laundry room, which I love. That's a self-cleaning litter box that she cannot get her cats to use because that's new. I love, 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 love the laundry room. And I love how she has everything set up over here for the laundry. Hi, kitty. Sleeping kitty. This is her office. I'm not going to go too far into that because there is paperwork. And then this walks right into the kitchen, which I've kind of already showed you, but I will do it a little slower. Also, keep in mind that I have not cleaned yet because I could not film a video and be completely out of breath and nasty and sweaty and red in the face about 5 hours from now when I got done cleaning. But of course, as you see, her home cannot even be considered dirty in the least bit. And this is the beautiful dining room. Love it, love it, love it. And this hallway here that comes off from her office has a bathroom. Hello. And that right there is another cutie pie. A sleeping baby. Hi. Okay, and here is that beautiful dining room. And then when you come out of there, this is the front entrance. And I'm not gonna show outside This is the entrance in the house. And I'm not gonna go too far into here either because there are a lot of family portraits. But this is the main living room. I love it. That goes upstairs. This is the master bedroom. I'm not going to show much of that because of pictures, but I do want to show you the master bathroom because it is my favorite part of the house. So first of all, that shower. Okay. Y'all ready for my favorite part of the whole house? I love it. I love that bathtub. Love it. And then there's another door over here in the bathroom that walks back out to the master bedroom. That completes this small house tour, guys. I can't show everything, obviously, because of personal information or all of those things. But I appreciate y'all sticking around. And I'd love to say hello and welcome to all of my new subscribers. I am so happy to have you. And I haven't really thought exactly what my schedule would be after Vlogust. So I know I want to keep a what's for dinner video every week, I believe. But other than that, I can't really think of anything else. Oh, I will be doing weekend prep. Yeah, that's what they're called. Weekend prep videos that I'll probably post on Mondays. But if y'all have any other suggestions, oh, and I do still want to do a vegan meal prep, either weekly or bi-weekly. But if y'all have any other suggestions, please leave it in the comments and I will see what I can do.